Welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dausa. My name is Mr. Hardish Kumar. Today we will discuss about the timers and types. Branch Electrical Engineering, subject microprocessor, topic timer and types. Timer. Timer is basically used the clock source used the internal crystal frequency of the 8051. In this subject, generally timer use of the 8051 is microcontroller, microprocessor and embedded system. So this timer is generally usage of internal crystal frequency, right? Counter, the clock source used the external frequency which is provided by outside source to count the number of events on register. This is the external frequency uses which is provided the outside sources to count the number of event. Every number of event will be counted on registers. So 8051 microcontroller is used of the timer and counter. So counter the number of event or registers will be count. So in which case we have used the clock sources uses the external frequency. T1 and T0 timer 1 external input P3.5 and T0 timer 0 external input P3.4. This is generally use of the counter. Type of timer and counter. The 8051 has two 16-bit timer and counter. Timer and counter 0, TS0 and TL0. Timer and counter TH1 and TL1. The 8051 has two special function 8-bit register to control timer and counter. The T mode, timer mode, T-con, timer control. These timer work same as a register when it is going to receive a clock signals. This is generally use of these timer work same as a register when it is going to receive a clock signal. This is the T mode timer counter and T-con timer control. So timer, T mode and T-con, this is the 8051 has two special function 8-bit registers to control timer and counter. Timer T0, in which case TH0 registers and TL0 register and timer T0 we have used of the, in which case we have used of the in TH0 registers and TL registers. So the timer T0 consists of two registers TH0 and TL0 representing a low and high byte of on generally TH0 registers and TL0 register. This is the high and low, in which case 16-digit binary number. This is 16-digit binary number. Since the timer T0 is 16-bit register, the largest value it can store is 65535. In case of exceeding this value, the timer will be automatically clearly and count start from 0. This condition is called all overflow. This is the timer T0. T mode register, MSB means significant bit and LSB least significant bit. So D0, this is the D0 is the data bus. To D0 to लेके D7, the 8-bit data bus is basically use of the bidirectional. Data bus जो होती है वो 8-bit bidirectionally होती हैं. In which case we use of the function D0 M0, D1 M1, D2 CY2 or D3 is the gate. This is the gate CYT M1 M2 is the timer 0 and M0 M1 CY2 and gate this is the timer 1. So this is the two timer, in which case timer 0 is the LSB and timer 1 is the MSB. P mode is especially used to set the mode of timer and counter. Both timer 0 and timer 1 uses the same mode registers T mode. T mode is an 8-bit register. The lower 4-bit bit 0 to bit 3 are means from timer 0. The upper 4-bit are means for timer 1. Bit 4 to bit 7. It is not bit addressable. It is used similar to any other registers of 8051. For example, move T modes 21H. Move T mode 0010 000 1B. This is the move T mode 21H is the address of data. 8051 microcontroller. C over T0. This is the select pulse to be count up by the timer and counter 0. C over T0 equal to 0 for selecting timer operation which uses internal frequency. C over T0 equal to 1 for selecting counter operation which uses external frequency from P3.4 to T0 pins. C over T1 select pulse to be counted up by the timer and counter 1. C over T1 equal to 0 for selecting timer operation which uses internal frequency. C over T1 equal to 1 for selecting counter operation which uses external frequency from P3.5 to T1 is pin. This is the T0 cases. So M1 and M0 used for mode selection because the timer of 8051 can be set in 4 different modes. First mode 0, 1, 2, 3. M0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. This is the case of truth table. So 13-bit timer mode 8-bit TX plus 5-bit TLX. 16-bit timer mode 8-bit THX plus 8-bit TLX. 8-bit auto reload modes THX hold a value which is to be reloaded into TLX. Each timer it overflow higher will be loaded into lower on overflow. Split timer or timer counter first stops. TL0 and TH0 will be used as two separate 8-bit timer, normal 8-bit times. Timer control. T-con. T-con timer control register is also one of the register. Those bits are directly in control of timer operation. Only 4 bits of this register are used for this purpose, while rest of them is used for interrupt control. It is a bit addressable. This is the timer control register. Timer control register value after reset, bit name or T-code. IT0, IE0, IT1, IE1, TR0, TF0, TR1 or TF1. Bit 7, bit 6, bit 5, bit 4, bit 3, bit 2, bit 1, bit 2. Bit of this register have the following function. TF1 bit is automatically set on the time 1 overflow. TR1 bit enabled the timer 1. Timer 1 is enabled. So 0 timer is disabled. That means 1 is the on condition and 0 is the off conditions. So TF0 bit is automatically set on the timer 0 overflow. TR0 bit enable the timer 0. 1 timer 0 is enabled and 0 timer 0 is disabled. This is the timer control TCON. Timer 0 is mode 0 13-bit timers, in which case mode 0 is timer clocks and overflow conditions will depend of the TH0 is 8-bit and TFL is the 5-bit in total of the 13-bit of the timer. This mode configures timer 0 as a 13-bit timer of out of 16-bit, which consists of all 8-bit of TH0 and the lower 5-bit of TL0. How does it operate? Each coming pulse cases the lower register bit to change their states, then higher, and when the counter roll over from all ones to all zeros, then overflow flag will be set to 1. This process is repeated until register counter of 8151 pulse to the power 13. After the both registers are clearly and counting start from 0. So, this is the timer will be used of in total is the 13-bit. 8-bit is used the THX is the and 5-bit is the TLX. This is a lower bit and this is the higher bit. So these process is repeated until to count up to 8151 pulses. 8191 pulses we use of the 2 to the power 13. Again, timer 0 in mode 1 16-bit timer. This is the TLX, the THX, this is the 8-bit and this is the 5-bit. And complete bit is the timer clock and overflow in 16-bit. But in which case timer 0 is the mode 1 is the 13-bit. We have used mode 1 is configures timer as a total is the 16-bit timer. It uses all the bit for both registers TH0 and TL0. TH0 is the timer high 0 and TL0 is the timer low 0. This is one of the most common used modes. Timer operates in the same way as in mode 0 with different that the register count up to 65536 as allowable by the 16-bit. So this is generally use of timer 0 in mode 1 condition. Timer 0 in mode 2 conditions, auto reload timer, mode 2 timer clocks and TFX overflow flags, TLX and THX. Mode 2 configures timer 0 as an 8-bit timer. Both in parallel cases. So in fact both only the TL0 register operate as a timer, while another TH0 register store the value from which the countings start to the power 8 is 255. When the TL0 register is loaded, instead of being cleared, the contents of TH0 will be reloaded to 8. This is we have the use of TL0 register is loaded, in which case we have used after the reload, in which case timer 0 in mode 2 cases. So timer 0 in mode 2 cases is totally is the 8-bit. And timer 0 in mode 1 cases is the total 13-bit, but this is the 8-bit. Step to program in mode 0 13-bit. To generate a time delay using the timer mode 0, the following steps are taken. Gate, C over T, M1, M0, gate, this is timer 0, the timer 1. In which case low, in which case high. Load the T mode value register indicating which timer या counter and timer and counter 0 and timer or counter 1 is to be used and the time mode 0. So load register TL and TH with initiate count value in 8191 is the microcontroller, we have used start the timers. Keep monitoring the timer flags TF. With the JNB TFX, target is assessed to see if it is raised, get out of the loop when TF becomes high. Stop the timer. Clear the TF flag for the next rounds. Go back to keep and stop to load TH and TL. Again. So this is the 16-bit timer mode 1. In which case, to generate a time delay using the timer mode 1, the following steps are taken. Gate, CYT, M1, M0, gate, CYT, M1 and M0. This is the low and this is the high. So load the T mode value register indicating which timer count 0 and 1 to be used in the timer mode 1. So load register TL and TH. In which case, to the initiate count value. So start the timer, keep monitoring the timer flag, which is the JNB TFX target instructions, to see if it is rises, get out of the proof when TF becomes high. Stop the timers. Clear the TF flag for the next round. Go back to step 2, load TH and TL again. This is the generally programming part of the timer. Step to program in mode 2, 8-bit auto reloaded. To generate a time delay using the timer mode 1, the following steps are taken. First of all, gate, CYT, M1, M0, gate, CYT, M1 and M0. The timer is 1 and timer 0. So start of programming, load the T mode, value register, indicating the timer 0 and timer 1. It is used with the timer mode 0 and 1. So load the TH registers with initial count value, start the timer, keep monitoring the timer flags with the JNB TFX start target, instead to see if it is rise, get out of the loop when TF becomes high. Clear the TF flag for the next rounds, go back to step 4. Since mode 2 is an auto reloaded. So this is the programming of timers of 8051 microcontroller and microprocessor and embedded system. All program we work for the timer in programming systems. Object T1 mode and T0 modes. Thank you watching this video.